Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disable guys phone aeroplane mode setting in our Oppo phone device. Friends, we want to disable guys phone aeroplane mode settings. Friends, how can we disable it? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So friends, now let's see how can we disable guys phone aeroplane mode setting in Oppo phone device. First of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab of settings. So guys, we will click on guys phone connection and sharing option guys. Tap here. Then guys, you can see your aeroplane mode is enabled. So once you don't want to use guys, you want to disable. So right side icon guys, you will have to tap on this icon after 4 and 5 seconds guys. Your aeroplane mode will disable. And friends, you can use guys your phone call setting guys. You can call to your friend. They can also call. And friends, you can use guys your mobile network setting. So like that guy, we can disable guy phone aeroplane mode setting. So that's it guy. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends have understood how to disable aeroplane mode in Oppo phone device. Bye guys.